Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode in your Instagram application with the new update here. So first of all, you need to go to your profile here in the right corner downside here. Just tap on your profile. Just tap on your profile here, and then you need to tap on the right side here in the upper right corner here. As you can see, there's a three-line menu here. Tap on three-line menu here, and then you need to open the settings option here, and here you will find the option called theme here. Just tap on the theme, and here you will find the option light, dark and system default. So if you want to turn on enable the dark mode, just tap on here dark here, and your Instagram is now on dark mode here. So if you go back there, as you can see, the Instagram page is now on dark mode here. So that's it guys, this is how you enable the dark mode in your Instagram in the new update version here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.